Gates open. They're up and racing. Empire Maker draws for your lead. Miss Bobon moving up by the rail. Hudson Hawk is running on the outside third. Running by the rail, Angel Sky. Then followed over on the outside by entry number 8, Bombardier. Next in line is Reporter, King's Crown. Moving up is Rompe Candado. While Dayang Dayang is running at the tail of the field. Heading towards the last 800, Miss Bobon in command by about a length and a half. Running in second, Empire Maker. Closing now in third is Bombardier. Hudson Hawk now running in fourth, and moving up on the outside is Reporter. Heading towards the last 450, we have Miss Bobon by about 3 lengths. Bombardier is still in second, running by the rail third. Empire Maker running now in fourth is Reporter. As they turn for home, Miss Bobon leading the field. Running on the outside is Bombardier. Running by the rail is entry number 6, Empire Maker, with the last 150 more to run. Miss Bobon by about 3 lengths over Bombardier in second. With the last 75 meters, Miss Bobon by about 6, and finally Miss Bobon, Bombardier, Empire Maker, then comes Rompe Candado, King's Crown, Angel Sky, Reporter, Dayang Dayang, and Hudson Hawk.